South Carolina is just the perfect location. McCormick still has the great small town feel, and you have access to anything within a 40-minute to an hour between airports, shopping, but yet they live in a natural paradise when you're in Savannah Lakes Village. It's just a beautiful place to be.
We have very few cloudy days, sunny days.
I think the lake and all the outdoor activities are the best selling points here, and the affordability of the village compared to other communities like this. There's so much to do here, and I like showing people all the options they have here.
If you want to make quilts, you can do that. If you want to play cards, if you want to play golf, if you want to boat, sailing, whatever you want to do, it's here.
The housing market here right now is really good. There's very few, though, resales available because they go so fast. The minute they go on, they're going under contract. There's lots of new construction, and there's still lots of nice lots to pick from.
There's a lot of people in Savannah Lakes from different states. In fact, there's someone from every state, from all 50 states in the village.
If anything happens or you need anything, they're always there.
It's very friendly. It's more like a family. If you need help, then you can get help easily. Your neighbors pitch in. And there's always a lot of food coming and going from neighbor to neighbor.
I mean, the golf courses are gorgeous, and the lake is a 70,000 acre lake. So what's not to like?
It's beautiful. It's small town America.